So 2009, Level 2 Junior Senior Test, number 10. A parabola has a vertex of 314, a y-intercept of 0, -4. Find the coordinates of the x-intercepts. So this problem requires some knowledge that you probably have from the end of Algebra 2 about what a parabola is. Alright, I move off the side of the board with the dead spot. Hopefully you're thinking to yourself, yeah, I have y equals x squared, right? That's our parent function of what the situation is here. And quickly we know that we can do some things with the parent function anytime we want. We can shift it left, right, we can shift it up, down, and we can stretch or compress it. So hopefully you're thinking to yourself, well, that means I can think of it this way. Y equals some stretch or compression, x minus some shift right or left squared, plus some shift up or down k. You got three variables in there. You got x, well you got 5 right now. Y, x, a, h, and k. And we can find h and k right away because we know the vertex is 314. So I'm going to move this all over here. I'll do a rough sketch of what's happening here. So it's 314, not the scale. And then the other point is 0, -4. So I hope we see that this has to open down. And if this is the vertex, that means it's the center. It's also the axis of symmetry is x equals 3. All right? So we have that point there. So I can write this equation right away as y equals a x minus 3 squared plus 14. And I know a is negative. And I do know a point. I know when x is 0, y is -4. So I plug in -4, a, and I'm careful here because we got to be careful with our signs. So I subtract 14, I get -18 equals -3. How about 9a? A is -2. And in a math team problem, level 2, it doesn't have to be integers, but it sure is nice when it pops out that way. So my equation then is y equals -2 x minus 3 squared plus 14. That's the equation of the curve. It's asking us to find two x-intercepts, x1 and x2. So I'll do that in purple here. That means y is equal to 0. So 0 equals -2 times x minus 3 squared plus 14. Move this term to the right side. And if I do that, I get 2 because it's positive. Then I add that thing to the other side. Equals 14. Divide by 2 on both sides. And then just take the square root of both sides. And you get x minus 3 equals plus or minus the square root of 7. So the answer is 3 plus or minus the square root of 7, which is a pretty standard answer when we complete the square. Again, problems like this take some background knowledge. If we just found the two x coordinates, keep practicing.